Hi, it's Jared. I'm back again with another Advantage to You car tip video. We're going to touch a little bit on tires today. There are many different tires, all-terrains, mud and snow, street tire, performance tire, many different options, and whatever your driving style and preference is going to help you to decide which tire that you need to go with. The first tire we're going to take a look at today is this mud terrain. You can see the width of the tread on this is going to be optimal for getting into the mud, getting a bite, and then clearing that mud out to the sides, so it will increase your traction in inclement conditions. A lot of the people in the San Juan area choose this tire if they do a lot of off-road traveling. Up next, we've got an all-terrain. As you can see, the tread is a lot closer together on this one. So this tire is going to do good on-road as well as off-road. Tread's a little bit closer together, helps this do a little bit more on the highway, but still does great off-road. This is a great all-around tire, will increase your traction in almost any condition. You're still going to get a lot of bite in mud and snow, but you're also going to get good wear if you do it on the highway also. A good all-around tire here. Last but not least, we have a highway tire. As you can see, all three tires beside each other, you can see the aggressive, less aggressive, and purely highway. Our treads are very close together, helps give you maximized traction on smooth surfaces, and it has the grooves to help shuck away water to decrease hydroplaning. And it's going to maximize life for highway travel. If you have any questions in reference to the size of tire you need to run, your owner's manual is a good place to start. Also in the door jamb, a lot of times it'll tell you the size of tire and what your pressures need to be set at. That's going to conclude our Advantage to You segment on tires. I'd like to thank you for tuning in, and I hope we shed some information on the confusing world of tires. And remember, if it's round rubber and it rolls, we sell it.